Dear Paul, you as the Senior Vice Chair of the Law Firm Management Committee is, I think, the best person to share your views on the art of networking and self-branding. So what's your experience?
So we're in the mid-market, mid-tier section of the law profession, and for us the IBA has been a fantastic platform to develop an international brand. It's obvious because there are so many people from across the globe who attend, but that's just not enough. It's about getting to know people, getting to develop the relationships, and then ultimately getting involved in a committee. The Law Firm Management Committee is made up of senior partners, managing partners, emerging talent, and that's really important. Tomorrow's generation and next generation, but we also work with allied legal professionals for supporting the profession as well as general counsel. I think it's also important when one goes into an international organization and one's looking to build up profile networks, clearly we're looking to generate work and referrals. But ultimately being able to provide work, send out work, has been a bonus that I couldn't have expected or anticipated. And that's really helped my firm grow because we can literally within 12 hours place a piece of work anywhere in the world. And that helps defend relationships. And I think if you build up an international network as a firm, at a firm-wide basis, you get work, you've got the ability to provide work and retain and develop relationships and protect client relationships. But you can also attract talent. And I think people perceive that if you have an international cross-border strength, that the better candidates, whether they be junior lawyers, mid lawyers, or senior lawyers, are going to feel comfortable bringing their practices to your firm. So I think having that international background really helps with attracting talent and retaining talent.
It is said in your CV on your website that you are available and accessible to clients and referral partners at all hours. How does that stand with the work-life balance expectations of junior colleagues when we want to encourage them to join our association?
So it's true, I have said publicly, privately, to anybody, I'm available, accessible, and approachable at any time of the day, at any point. That has meant is because of technology, and I've been ahead of the curve for the last 20 years, have had a laptop, have had a mobile, have had the ability to travel just about anywhere, either personally or professionally, and it's meant that I haven't been office-based. So before COVID and lockdown came along, I was working remotely all over the world, and I was able to take holidays. I was able to stay with my family and be with them and not be stuck at a desk, thanks to the technology. So I've looked upon my life as being incredibly flexible, incredibly mobile, and I've looked at the opportunities and the family time that I would not otherwise have had if I'd been stuck to a rigid desk. So the technologies work for me, and people are sensible. They're not going to ring you up on a Sunday afternoon for the sake of it. People know literally your clients, your better contacts, when to contact you, and if they have an emergency, that's fine. COVID has helped shake up the profession, and people who were perhaps less flexible than they were before now understand it in a management role. But I think if you're a manager and a leader, it is essential that you may not believe it yourself, and that may not be your work approach, but allow the others around you, in my opinion, allow the junior talent to have the flexibility and to work with the technology that they probably understand better than you do, and embrace it.
So what you're also saying is that for junior talent, IBA and international networking is a good way to enhance management skills.
I mean, within the IBA, I think it is one of the strengths that we can bring on emerging talent, junior partners, senior associates, and give them an exposure to the real world of what life is like out there. They can meet people such as themselves. It's a bit of a sales pitch for the Law Firm Management Committee, but we have an academy, training academy for leaders of tomorrow. I think the IBA is a great launch point for tomorrow's talent today.
Thank you.